video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a park map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the map which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here. Then click over here and get the map into your CFX portal and download the map. Now we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the park from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and this is the garden which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. So this is the look of the garden over here. There's a small basketball court over here, as you can see. And over we have the public washrooms. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.